Well, hello again. I thought I'd give you a short update on what I'm up to. In fact, not any lathe work as such, but I've been sorting everything out. I'm not sure if I told you when I got the lathe, this top belt cover wasn't fitted. I think the previous owner fitted this larger motor, and when you look at it, it won't fit where the original motor fitted. So he got a longer belt and made some brackets and fitted it there. So I've made some brackets so that I believe it's a lot safer. I didn't want a belt whizzing round there. I'm not the most careful person, so I thought that was the best thing to do. So I've made that, and I'll just bring you a little closer so you can see the shelf I've put up, and hopefully these are the bits I will be using most. You can see some extra drill chucks, the extra cogs for doing the threads on bars and that. A lot of the other things I've no idea what they're for, but hopefully I will learn bit by bit. Several rulers you can see there. We come round lots of tool holders, facing plates, a 4-jaw chuck, and lots of tool holders there. Quite a lot drill bits, dies, cutters. I've used my multi-drawer cabinet to put all the measuring stuff, bits and pieces, vernier there, micrometers. I've got several other micrometers, the larger drill bits, smaller drill bits. I think these are milling bits, I'm not sure. I slowly get to use them as I get jobs. Other cutters all come with the lathe. More cutters, lots of dies. I've got a couple of sets in those boxes there, under there. Oh, you can also see a steady and another chuck for the really small drills. The taps, of course, and some odd bits of steel and brass, which I hope, you know, will all come in and be quite useful for me. My first little job I've got, if you can see this piece of brass, been used as a punch by the looks, and a length of rod, brass rod. I'll show you on my Royal Enfield here. I have a little flag or standard bearer, and I intend to make a smaller version of that for my Triumph. Both these bikes I've ridden in France. Got the Triumph in here. There's the old Triumph. And I hope, you know, I'm going to make one for the front mudguard. You probably won't know, but I've had a good clear out of the shed. I've, you know, needed to, so that I can work properly on the lathe. Well, that's all for the moment. I'll get back to you. I won't bore you with every stage, but hopefully I will show you how I'm getting on bit by bit. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.